Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable it to turn off automatically when your device is only 19%, up to 19% charged. You can also set it to turn on at a specific battery level. And you can also set up default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off time, you can disable background synchronization, and you can also lower the screen refresh rate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.